What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Google Android. So let's get right into it. Once you are ready, go to your settings. Go to display. There, you will see the option to turn on dark mode on your Android device. You can adjust the brightness however you like. I like mine the way it is. That's one way to turn on dark mode on your Android. Another way to turn it on is by scrolling down from your home screen. Swipe to the left till you see the dark mode option and turn it on. If you want to turn on dark mode on Google homepage, just scroll all the way to the bottom. There you will see the dark mode option to turn it on. That's one way to do it. Another way to turn it on is by going to settings, scroll down to the theme option. There you'll be able to change it as well. And that's it, guys. How to turn on dark mode on Google Android. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.